What's up and welcome back, everyone. We're out plowing again, and new addition, we've got a caterpillar hat, which if you guys have been following, you know I'm not a huge fan of cats, so that's kind of interesting. But we're cleaning up the driveway here, and we're gonna be taking off, getting to our residential and some of our commercial stuff. So Colton's in the 2017. Let's get out to it. If you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe. We've got all kinds of videos like this. We've got a week of snowstorms, so you're gonna want to see it. Alright, so, sit rep, like I said, we got a caterpillar hat, turn the light on, but what we also got is about 8 inches of snow. So, if you guys have been following, this whole year we've had like no snow. The last 2 weeks here we've gotten more snow than we have literally all year. So, today we got 8 inches. Just yesterday, or the night before yesterday, we got, what was it? We got 4 inches, 5 inches, something like that, maybe 6 inches. So we've got over a foot of snow in the last 2 to 3 days, and needless to say, no sleep in the last 2 to 3 days. So without that, let's get out there. I'm gonna shut up and let's just get in the truck and we're in the truck, but I mean let's get out to the sites and let's get going. Alright guys, it has been one heck of a day and night. As you can see, it's day again. Didn't get a whole lot of video last night because it was just, I've been up for like 24 hours and tired as heck, and I'm going to bed after this. But you can see over here, peeking over here with the Chev dog, we got Matt with NWI. One of our buddies here works with this guy, but he's gonna be doing some salting here for us. Look at her in there. He's got this, there you are. He's got the Curtis Salter on here, just a salt rig. He was saying, you know, it's not the prettiest truck, but like I was saying, it's like you won't find me in a million years putting a Salter on this thing or any newer truck. That's exactly what I do. So, little Honda gas engine on here. We're gonna get some salt on this because it is pretty slick. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. We're gonna take a few shots of the Salter, but we'll see you guys on the next one. More snow coming next week, so stay tuned. Stay tuned to see more about that Reverse Pro light that we got in the hitch. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Wow, it's not nothing, it's definitely something. It's hundreds and hundreds of dollars of salt. Right on, look at that. Mint. So this thing's just got a chain drive in it. Actually, some of the material, I guess, got clogged up in there a little bit, so we had to chop away at it for a second there and got her freed up, and now we're on our way. He's gonna come back with a few more loads of that, and we're gonna get this thing to really melt. It is cold out here tonight. It's probably not gonna do a whole lot of melting tonight, but tomorrow it's gonna warm up a bit. You can hear I can't even talk right now because my lips are so cold. But yeah, I'm gonna be back tomorrow to just scrape it off, whatever melts, and try to touch this place up a little bit. So they got a Parade of Homes tour coming through here in the next couple of weeks, so I wanna have this place looking good. That is the plan. Don't mind the copyrighted music on the radio there. Right on. Oh, he's even got the light back there. I like it. I like it. Look at that, we got some pure road salt going down. Nothing but the best for the guys over here. Absolutely nothing but the best. Alright, I'm totally kidding. You could put like a calcium chloride or treated road salt or something. I mean, it's not the best, but sure as heck beats salt sand mix. There you are on the sunset. Wow, what a beautiful place we got here. Look at her winging it. I don't know if you guys can see that super well. It's just winging it out there. Just honking. Perfect. She gets pretty good spread. I think this will do the trick. You can see her glistening in the sparkling at it, the headlights. Well, I'm gonna let him get to it and quit following him around with the camera. Thank you, Matt, if you're watching. Lifesaver, man. Really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.